Hello guys, in this video we will see how to set up PostgreSQL 17 on AWS RDS. Connect to AWS console and click on services, then search for RDS. Click on this RDS service. See, DB instances 0, which means I don't have any DB instance. To create new DB instance, click on databases or click on DB instances, then click on create database. Then here we have two methods, standard create method and easy create method. We are going with standard create method. Then select the engine, select PostgreSQL. If you scroll down, click on this drop down. At the bottom we have the PostgreSQL 17.2. This is the latest version at the time of making this video. Select it. Then select the templates, production, dev, test and free tier. Free tier is free to use, okay. And for production and dev we have to pay. So for this demo purpose I am going with free tier eligible, okay. Then if you select free tier, see this availability, durability options are grayed out, okay. And provide the name for the DB instance identifier. I am giving AWS PG 17.2 and this is the master username. And then credential management, self-manage, then provide the password for this Postgres user. So I'm giving password and see here minimum constraint for the password is must contain at least 8 printable ASCII characters and cannot contain any of these letters, okay. So don't give this / single double quote or @ signs, okay. Then instance configuration. See, only these two instance types are available for free tier eligible customers. Both are same. Select either of them. Then storage, I am going with general purpose SSD GB2 and allocated storage you can give up to 6144 gigabytes. I am going with list, that is 20 gigabytes. Then compute resource and network type I am not going to change, and create new VPC for this AWS RDS for PostgreSQL. Public access, select yes. Then availability zone, remaining options I am not going to change. Click on additional configuration. See, the default port for PostgreSQL is 5432. Authentication I am going with password authentication, but we have the option like password and IAM and password and Kirbos authentication. Remaining options I am not going to change. Additional configuration, if you want to create database you can provide here, or we can create database once AWS RDS PostgreSQL setup is completed. If you are okay with all these settings, then click on create database. Wait until status to be running or available. Refresh. See, engine type is PostgreSQL and this is the EPC information. At a moment it will populate all this information, okay. This may take 5 to 10 minutes. Click on this DB identifier. See, status is still creating. Once it is created we will get this endpoint and port number. With this endpoint we will connect to PostgreSQL server. If you want to see the credentials you have to click on view credential details. See, successfully created database. Also it has populated endpoint and port number 5432, okay. But status is configuring enhanced monitoring, okay. It's okay. So copy this endpoint and connect to PostgreSQL. We can connect by using pgadmin or DBeaver or PSQL client. If you have installed PSQL client on your machine, then we can connect to PostgreSQL. I have already installed pgadmin. If you want to install pgadmin or DBeaver on your machine, then go through the links provided in the video description and install them. Now click on add new server or right click and select register, then server, both are same. Then give any name, AWS RDS 70, name can be anything. In connection tab, paste that endpoint. See, this is the endpoint. Just click on this copy endpoint. Then port number 5432, maintenance database Postgres, username also Postgres, then provide the password that we have given. Even if you forgot, click on view connection details, then we will be able to find the password information. Now click on save. This will give error. I will show you the error and resolution. See, unable to connect to server, connection timeout expired. Okay, so it is expected. Click on this security group, then click on security group ID, click on inbound rules, then click on edit inbound rules, then click on add rule, then select the PostgreSQL. See, here we have the PostgreSQL and port number. Okay, IP, select the my IP, or you can give your IP range. Click on save roles. Successfully created a role. Now go to pgadmin, just edit some option, then click on save. Now we will be able to connect. See, we have successfully connected. Expand it, expand databases. See, here we have these databases. See, for AWS RDS we will get this AWS RDS admin. In users also we will get the RDS users. See, users and groups. Okay, now create a database. Right click, select create, then database, then provide the database name R2schools, and click on select the owner and click on save. See, new database is there. This is the one way to connect to PostgreSQL by using pgadmin for. The other method is DBeaver. DBeaver, click on it, click on this new database connection, then select the PostgreSQL, click on next. Here host name we have to give the endpoint. Go back, RDS instances, click on the instance, copy endpoint, go to DBeaver, paste here, database name R2schools, show all databases, username Postgres, then provide the password. Then click on test connection. See, successfully connected to PostgreSQL version number 17.2. I forgot to show you. Click on finish, expand connection, expand databases. See, here we have these databases. If you want to verify version of the PostgreSQL that we have installed, right click on any database, then select the query tool, then run the select version, put semicolon, select the entire text and click on this execute button. See, we have installed PostgreSQL 17. Okay, here also we can verify. Right click, select SQL editor, then open SQL console. Now run select version, click on this execute button. See, we have installed. See, we got the same output. Okay, you can also connect by using PSQL client. Okay, I have already installed PSQL client on my machine. In the server name we have to give this endpoint, paste it, hit enter, database R2schools, port number same, username Postgres same, then provide the password of this user. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify. Select version. See, we have successfully connected to PostgreSQL 17.2. Okay, now we will create a table in this database. Create table student /dt is the command. See, we have one table. You can also verify. Expand database R2schools schemas, public, Then tables. See here we have one table. We can also verify the same. Expand database, schemas, public, tables. See here we have the table after schools. Okay, let us insert some data into this table. Insert into let us verify the data. See, we have this data. You can also get the same output from here. Select star from student. Select the query and click on execute. See, we got the same data. Here also we will get the same. Select star from student, select the query and click on execute. See, we got 3 rows. Okay. The last option that I am going to show you is, if you want to restart, select actions, then reboot. Or if you want to stop temporarily, you have to click on stop temporarily. Then you have to click on stop temporarily. If you want to delete permanently, you have to click on delete. See, if you are not using this anymore, it is better to delete, because AWS charges are based on the usage. Okay, so I'm not going to delete, just I want to show you. So in this video we have seen how to set up PostgreSQL 17 on AWS RDS. For more AWS and PostgreSQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.